Hi guys, I am T. I'm come from Ruto. Today I want to tell you the conversation between Pillow and Beast. Okay, let's start. Keller, are you happy here with me? Yes. What is it? If only I could see my father again, just for a moment. I miss him so much. There is the way. This mirror will show you anything you wish to see. Did I see my father? Niece. Papa, oh no, he's sick. He may be dying, and he's all alone. Then you must go to him. How did you say? I release you. You are no longer prisoner. You mean I'm free? Yes. Oh, thank you. Hold on, Papa. I'm on my way. Take it with you. Take it with you. So you'll always halfway to look back and remember me. Oh, thank you for understanding me. How much he needs me. Well, Your Highness, I must say everything is going just swimmingly. I knew you had it in you. I let her go. Yes, Splend. You what? How did you do that? I had to. But just why? Because I love her. Okay, the conversation the end. Thank you very much for the watching. Bye bye, see you soon.